We're at the Leslie Science and Nature Center today for Earth Day, which is actually the City of Ann Arbor's Earth Day event. It is collaboratively designed, collaboratively built, with lots of environmental organizations and the city hand in hand. We have 32 vendors here, so environmental nonprofits, environmental businesses, all here to tell people about the things they do, the ways you can get involved, ways you can volunteer in the community. We always have community artists here, so we have chalk artists, we have music performers. Washtenaw Dairy's here with some special earth donuts, if you've seen them, and then tons of crafts and seed bombs and things that especially kids can do to learn more about how they can be involved in protecting our earth.
Earth Day in Ann Arbor is really fun to be involved with because it brings together so many people who are passionate in the community about the environment, and I just love to learn about all of these different organizations and what everyone is doing locally to help out. I work for the watershed, so I'm really water focused, so I love to come out here and be able to learn about land conservation and other kind of native plants and all of the animals at Leslie. So it really just brings together a ton of like-minded people to celebrate, to motivate, and to figure out what we can do moving forward. So at our booth, we have a few things going on. We have our macroinvertebrate bug demo, so you can go and dig through some leaves and rocks and some things that we've pulled out of the river and see what kind of critters you can find. We have some caddisflies, some stoneflies. There's a mayfly hatchling in there, which was super cool to find. So the kids can go and dig through the mud to see kind of what lives in our river here.
Leslie Science and Nature Center is the perfect place to host Earth Day. Being a nature center, obviously the environment and the earth is really important to us, but we also see ourselves as a community center, a third space, if you will, for people. So inviting them out here to be a part of a party for the earth, a place where they can learn about all the different things they can do in Ann Arbor and Washtenaw County, it just feels like the perfect place.